Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents prawn cutlets. Take 1 large boiled potato. Mash it well. Add 200 grams baby prawns. If you don't have baby prawns, take prawns and chop them finely. Add half cup rice flour. 1½ tablespoons tamarind pulp. 1 tablespoon gram flour. 1 tablespoon semolina. 1 chopped onion. 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon coriander chili paste. Add salt to taste. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri Chilli Powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Add handful of chopped fresh coriander leaves. Immerse the bread slice in water and squeeze out the water. Combine well. Do not add additional water. Grease your palm with oil. Make cutlets as shown. Take spoonful of mixture. Flatten it. Repeat the same procedure to make more cutlets. Refrigerate for some time. Crack 2 eggs. Beat well. Take semolina for coating. Remove semolina in a plate. Dip it in the beaten eggs. Coat with semolina. Coat properly. Dip it in the beaten eggs. Coat with semolina. Coat properly. Repeat the same procedure for all. Heat up the oil for frying. Place cutlets on it. Shallow fry for 4 to 5 minutes on each side on low to medium heat. Flip and cook. Fry until golden and crisp from both sides. Shallow fry 4 to 5 minutes this side too. Remove it. Serve hot with chutneys. Plate it as per your choice. Pour spoonful of mint chutney and splash it. Pour some tamarind sauce. Splash it again. Place shrimp cutlets. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Do try this delicious prawn cutlets recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comments section below. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.